Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio. And it looks like the elevator just left me. But we got something pretty interesting in here. You'll see why I say it's quite interesting in just a sec. But look at this call button though. It's EPCO call station. It kind of reminds me a bit of the touch-sensitive Schindler ones, but it's a bit different too. Anyways, I'm gonna pause my video until an elevator gets here, or the elevator gets here. So, stop for now. And here it is. Yep. You going down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're going down to 4 now.
Hit 1, please. Going down.
Going down the rock now?
This is going down. Alright, I'm gonna get a cab view now since nobody is in with me. But look at this though, we have these very unique fixtures. RT fire service, but look at this, OTIS Series 2 style indicators. Alright, I'm only gonna do one ride up on this thing because it's super busy. Alright. What floor would you like?
3, please. Thank you.
No problem. Let's see if I can get both indicators. And we're stopping again. What floor?
5.
She wasn't that too.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
This is going to 6.
6? Okay.
Yep. I'm gonna get off here.
Okay, we've already been there. Oh, no, we haven't been to 6? Oh, gotcha. I'm confused where we are.
There you go. There it goes. That'll be it.